Only during the coldest weeks of winter does this breathtaking landscape reveal itself. Here, nature quietly creates a masterpiece of ice. Crystal clear water flows down the rugged rock face. Drop by drop, it freezes in the frigid air. Layer upon layer, the ice grows, forming towering icicles that can reach several meters in height. In the stillness of the forest, the only sounds are the whisper of the wind and the subtle creaking of ice shifting in the cold. From above, the full scale of the scene unfolds. A vast wall of ice rises from the snow-covered ground. Resembling a frozen cathedral sculpted by nature itself. It is both powerful and delicate, a reminder of winter's quiet strength. When sunlight touches the surface, the ice begins to glow with a faint blue hue. Trapped air and layers of frozen water create subtle gradients and intricate patterns within. And when snow begins to fall, tiny white crystals drift gently through the air. Softly embracing the frozen cliffs below. In that moment, time seems to stand still. The beauty of Shirakawa Icicles changes each day. After several nights of deep cold, the formations grow stronger and more transparent. On slightly warmer days, the ice subtly reshapes itself, continuing nature's slow and silent transformation. This extraordinary sight can only be experienced for a short time each winter. That fleeting quality makes it even more special. To stand here in the cold is to witness winter in its purest form, serene, majestic, and timeless. Shirakawa Icicles in Kiso, a miracle of ice, created by nature, and revealed only to those who seek it in the heart of winter.